This product is a DSPIAE sander DIY that is perfect for your DIY projects. It is a USB rechargeable grinding pen, and it comes with a total of 8 durable nylon sanding heads, so you can use it for various tasks. The flat head and round head shape make it convenient to perform various tasks. It includes premium sandpaper to cleanly trim the material, and it is equipped with an advanced IC chip with an overload protection function, so you can use it with confidence as it automatically shuts off when excessive pressure is detected. It also charges quickly. It takes about 20 minutes to fully charge, and you can check the remaining battery level in real time, so you can use it for up to 100 minutes when fully charged. The product is safely packaged with scratch-resistant CP100 material, and the basic configuration includes the main body, sanding head, power cord, and storage case. You can also choose from various sanding heads in addition. However, this product does not support the fast charging protocol, so use a charging head of 5 volts 3A or less. This one product will make your crafting work easier. This product is a GMKtec Ultra mini computer that is easy to carry and offers excellent cost-effectiveness. It is one of the smallest sizes among the various mini PCs you can find on AliExpress. Equipped with an Intel low-power M100 CPU, the basic options are also excellent. The basic RAM is 12 GB, the storage is 512 GB, and it boasts sufficient capacity and provides fast speed with DDR5 RAM. Windows 11 Pro is installed as a genuine product, so there is no need for additional purchase. There are various input-output ports on the side, so you can use it conveniently without a separate hub. Experience the outstanding performance when you use it. This product is Xiaomi's S400 Pro Smart Scale. It features a luxurious black finish, and the 3.5-inch TFT color display is located on the top of the scale, allowing you to check the measurement data in detail and intuitively. Metal sensors for various body composition analyses are located throughout the scale, so you can comfortably get on it regardless of the sensor location. It allows for accurate body composition measurement. If you link it with the Xiaomi smartphone app, you can share the measured data in real time, so it is very useful for managing your body composition in the long term through your smartphone as well as the built-in screen. This product is powered by 4 AAA batteries, and can be used for about 150 days when measuring 3 times a day, so you can forget about worrying about replacing batteries for a while. This product is a household electric shoe dryer. This timing boot dryer keeps your shoes fresh and dry at a constant temperature of 70 degrees Celsius thanks to the PTC heating element. The porous structure can evenly dry 360 degrees, making it perfect for various types of shoes. Safety is also not overlooked. The flame retardant ABS UL94V type cell enhances safety, and the 3-stage timing function can dry your shoes for 3, 6, and 9 hours. It effectively protects the shoe material. The size is compact, suitable for 170mm, 71mm, and 29mm, and the color is available in neat white and stylish purple. The package includes a shoe dryer, a user manual, and a packaging box. It is also very easy to use. If you turn it on briefly before going to work, your feet will be warm, which is good for winter. Start a convenient and comfortable shoe care experience with this product. This product is a clip-on Bluetooth speaker. This speaker supports the latest Bluetooth 5.4 version and can be used wirelessly at a distance of about 30 meters. Although the home size is small at 1.25 inches, it boasts an output power of 6W and can be fully charged in about 2 hours with a charging voltage of 5 volts 1A. It can play for 4 hours at 100% volume and a whopping 9 hours at 50% volume. In addition, it weighs about 80 grams and is light enough to carry around. You can enjoy music without worrying about the IPXO waterproof function even outdoors. This time, the MagSafe GMSong Re-Haul has also appeared. Let's enjoy a pleasant music life together. This product is a Haswa 8 kHz wireless gaming mouse. It supports both 2.4 GHz wireless and wired, so you don't have to worry about lag when playing games. Thanks to the ergonomic design, it doesn't strain your wrists even if you use it for a long time, and the grip is neat. It's perfect for gamers or those interested in equipment. It comes in 2 versions, G23 and G23 Pro. The G23 has a PA 3395 sensor, and the Pro version has a PAW3952S King sensor. You can also change the switch as you like, so you can adjust the click feel as you like. It supports up to 32,000 to 45,000 DPI, and it weighs only 65 grams, so it's perfect for control. It fast charges in 50 minutes, and you can use it for 143 hours on a single charge, so you don't have to worry about the battery. Thanks to the 8K polling rate, the response speed is fast and accurate, so if you play a lot, you should definitely try it out. If you're using a smartphone, you can check the purchase link by clicking the video title and pressing See More. If you're using a computer, you can find links to purchase products by clicking See More in the description at the bottom of the video. Scroll down for more links. This product is the Vintech Love U4 Mini Projector. You can use it without worry thanks to the dust-proof engine, and the picture quality is amazing because it supports up to 4K. You can enjoy it on a big screen by connecting it to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, and the autofocus function makes it very easy to use. It is small and light, so it is perfect for use on the go. The fabric design is pretty, so it is also good as an interior decoration. When watching a movie at home or setting the mood while camping, wouldn't it be great to watch a movie with the stars and the night sky on the beam? This product will upgrade your home entertainment. If you haven't added it to your cart yet, the old man might be upset. This product is the Baseus magnetic kitchen timer. This digital timer can be used in various situations such as cooking, sleeping, and outdoor sports. With a mechanical alarm counter, the timing range can be adjusted from 0 to 99 minutes and 0 to 55 seconds. It can be magnetically installed, so you can easily attach it to the refrigerator or blackboard, and the LED digital display clearly shows the remaining time. The quick adjustment function that stops every 5 seconds provides efficient timing, and the quiet electronic timing design helps you focus on studying or working. The 3-level volume control allows you to adjust the notification sound according to different environments, and it is powered by AAA batteries and boasts a durability of up to 1,000 hours. Manage your time efficiently and enjoy cooking and studying more conveniently with this Baseus magnetic kitchen timer. This product is a range hood that can be easily moved. It helps keep the indoor space comfortable by directly sucking up the smoke generated while cooking on the stove. Large range hoods are often used in the cooking space of ordinary homes or restaurants, but when cooking on the stove in a space other than the kitchen, the smoke can spread to the surrounding area and be absorbed by the wallpaper or air conditioner filter. To prevent this problem, this mobile range hood was manufactured in a size that is perfect for placing right next to the portable stove. Inside, there is a special filter that can filter out odors and grease residue, effectively filtering the smoke generated while cooking. This product is a mechanical keyboard with excellent cost-effectiveness, the Spider F99. With a 99-key layer configuration, it is 18% smaller than the 108-key keyboard, but it includes a right-side keypad, making it perfect for office use. The PBT double injection keycaps prevent the rough surface from slipping, and the advantage is that it is durable and does not wear out even after long-term use. This keyboard is not cheap, but it has an FR4 reinforcement plate and a 5-layer sound-absorbing structure, providing a comfortable and quiet key feel when typing. It is a wired, wireless compatible connection method, and wireless use is possible through Bluetooth and the dongle at the top of the keyboard, and it also supports internal battery charging and wired connection by connecting a USB-C type cable. In particular, it has a user customization function through dedicated software and various keycap color combinations, so it is good to buy according to your taste.